What's up, everybody? DIY Raymond here, and today doing a little bit of landscaping around my house. See, I got another load of rocks. um it's pretty hot outside. I'm just trying to rough it in for real quick, coming down and going all the way down this way and around the other side. I'll probably just take care of where I'm at right now, and then going down to that corner, and my wife gets off work, I might let her finish, her and my daughter finish doing the other side of the house, because I gotta get some sleep. Been up since yesterday, about 7:30, whatever. I work night shift and got off work, and like I said, today's late already. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Anyways, that's all it is tarp right here. You can pick it up at Lowe's, Home Depot, maybe some hardware stores. It's just a little ag tarp or mat. Stuff is see-through. They got different levels on as far as how long they last: 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. 3 foot wide by 50 foot long, 100 foot long, 4 feet wide, all that. Um, and I think the 3 foot by 300 feet was right at like $65, I think. And I paid like $20, I think it was $15-20 for it. That one I ended up buying 2 of them, I think. I don't know, or 1. But anyways, you get the concept of it. Then separately, you got to buy these pins right here, just to kind of hold it down. And then you could buy this right here. I forget what we paid for this. And then it'll come with these little stakes. You can always buy extra stakes. They look like this, like little nail screws. And then you just tack it on in with the hammer. If it won't slide into your ground, just tack it in with a hammer. Go in pretty easily. But it's not bad. Take a process, but this right here will stop your grass and your weeds from growing. Right here we got we don't have termites in our house, but to prevent termites, we got Orkin, I think. Yeah, it's Orkin. We got them for the pest control. So we just got a lot of these around our house and everything, and around my mom's tiny house and everything like that. So we keep termites, and it's supposed to attract. If termites do come, they're supposed to go to this instead. But hopefully it works like it say it does. But yeah, that's about it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video and everything. I'm not gonna have to really show you guys what I'm doing, because you already know how to unload rocks from a truck. You got a shovel and a rake, and when it gets a little bit lighter, I'll just hand crank it with my hand crank. But yeah, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And got another video coming up thanking everybody for subscribing. I'll be doing a giveaway and everything, and I'll give you details on how to be entered into the giveaway. Hope y'all enjoy, and like I said, like, share, and subscribe, and y'all have a great and blessed day.